Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply swipe your finger up and hold it a little until you will see all recently opened tabs. If you want to close only one of it, nothing easier, simply swipe it, just like that. But if you want to close all of them at the same time, simply go to the very left, and as you can see here we've got the clear all. So simply tap on it. As you can see, we just got back to our home screen, so let's check if it worked. As you can see here, we've got no recent items, so we successfully closed all background apps. So that's all. This is how to close background apps in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.